everybody. So my name is Marceau Boulanger, and I'm working at LightSpeed HQ. We are Montreal-based, so sorry for my French. So today I'm going to talk about one project we did with Looker during the last year, how we cut customer acquisition cost in half with action-oriented analytics, and how we achieve every marketer dream. So who are we? LightSpeed is a POS company. We have 55,000 customers all around the world. We have around 40% of our business in EMEA region. We are growing very fast, and we are focusing on acquisition. When I'm talking about acquisition, more than 50% of our budget in marketing is spent in AdWords. And as you all guys know, AdWords is very expensive, and there's a little gift showing that. So we all know as marketers that half of the money I spend on advertising is wasted, but we don't really know which one. So when Looker arrived at LightSpeed, we try to figure a way to have a better understanding where our money is wasted. So we had two issues. The first one was owning the marketing attribution. I know a lot of companies are trying to find a way to have the best way to look at attribution. So we decided to own our own attribution. In the past, we were looking at AdWords data, and AdWords data is great, but it's really like kind of a black box where AdWords is always giving a lot of attribution to itself. And it's always focusing on form field on a website and not really about what is the data in our CRM, what are deals. So the goals really was to actually look at every single touch point a user did in his journey, whether it was with AdWords, but also from all other channels. And what we decided to go with is a tool called Visible, who integrates with our CRM Salesforce and allow us to really have attribution for every single deal we closed and see every touch point for every actual contact on this company. What we ended having in Looker is basically for one deal, all the touch points where you can see paid search playing a role and attribution-based percentage based on the W-shaped model we decided to go with. The second issue was with that data, we had to extract it, and it was always taking a lot of time for us to do so. So in the past, what we used to do is look at the Google Adwords data, take all the CSV data from AdWords, and then from Salesforce, take all the CSV data with the deals closed and do some merging in an Excel or a Google Sheet. It was really boring, and we used to do this maybe once a month. But with Looker coming to the company, we decided we could do something better, and I really wanted to give the acquisition team a way to look at this daily instead of monthly. So with Looker, what we end up using is basically using Fivetran to get the Google data and the Salesforce data into Snowflakes every single day, and doing a persisting derived table with Looker. So with these two parts, we were able to really have the data as kind of two tables where we were able to join them, basically having the cost and the cost from AdWords with the marketing leads, the sales qualified leads, and the actual new customers that we had from our CRM. At the end, what we end up having was this kind of huge dashboard that was updated every single night, where the acquisition team were able to see which keyword was driving the most marketing leads and sales qualified leads. And basically, what we end up for all the EMEA region was, when we implemented this, is really cutting down the cost by half. But if you look at the green light, having pretty the same number of sales qualified lead over time. So basically, by dividing by 2 our cost, but keeping the kind of the same number of sales qualified leads, we were able to cut the acquisition cost in half. So what we do with this money, once now we have a lot of money that we don't know what to do with. But basically, we were able to instead get this money to other media that we didn't use in the past that much, like Facebook paid ads or display or any other marketing channels. And the next step for us is really to push back this data from Looker into Google AdWords to be able to have automatic bidding strategy. Instead of using the building W-shaped model, it's actually doing our own Markov attribution. And yeah, that's it. Thank you very much. I'm the one presenting, but it was a big effort from the whole team at LightSpeed. And yeah.